Hello everyone, Jairam here. In the last video I have mentioned how we can create project in Django, how to install Django. I have not mentioned here how we can create virtual environment because this series is for the beginners. So I have raw installation of Django I have mentioned in last two videos. So it's always better to create a virtual environment and work on under the virtual environment while we are installing Django or creating project. So in the next video we'll see how we can create the virtual environment, then install Django in that and create a project. Why virtual environment is needed? Basically, when you work on a project, suppose that you created a Django project and you are only looking, you need to install different packages. Suppose that for a project you are looking to install 5 packages to work for that project, and another project is there where 20 packages is needed to install. So if you are working on without creating virtual environment, the first project, which is the 5 packages, and the second with the 20 packages, all will be in the same place. So this will be like not a right approach. That's why virtual environment creation is recommended. You can create a virtual environment, install Django in that one, and create a project in that environment. In that way you do not need to mix different projects, different packages in one place. All the packages required will be in one place for this particular project only. See you soon in the next video with the how to create Django projects with virtual environment. See you soon. Thank you.